Alright, so now we continue with our next slide. It's about web or World Wide Web. Okay. Alright, so what is the web? The World Wide Web, usually we call it as a web for short, is a collection of different websites you can access through the internet. A website is made up of related text, images, and other resources. And then website can resemble other forms of media such as newspaper articles or television programs, or they can be interactive in a way that's unique to computers. The purpose of a website can be almost anything: a news platform, an advertisement, an online library, a forum for sharing images, or an educational site just like ads. Okay, so now we go to the web revolution. Alright, so we have Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. Okay, so what is a Web 1.0? It is the readable phrase of the World Wide Web with flat data. In Web 1.0, there is only limited interaction between sites and web users. Web 1.0 is simply an information portal where the users passively receive information without being given the opportunity to post reviews, comments, and feedback. Example, you can see Web 1.0 in Yahoo Web Directory. Okay, example. Okay, so this is her Yahoo Web Directory. They just one-way communication. The user cannot give any interaction. There is no interaction between this website with the user. Okay, so now we go to Web 2.0. What is a Web 2.0? Okay, it is the writable phrase of the World Wide Web with interactive data. Unlike Web 1.0, Web 2.0 facilitates interaction between web users and sites. So it allows users to interact more freely with each other. Web 2.0 encourages participant collaboration and information sharing. Example of Web 2.0 applications are YouTube, Wiki, Flickr, Facebook, and so on. I think Web 2.0 is much more easier for you to understand. Okay, so we go to the next one, is a Web 3.0. It is the executable phrase of World Wide Web with dynamic applications, interactive services, and machine-to-machine interaction. Web 3.0 is a semantic web which refers to the future. Okay, so in Web 3.0, computers can interpret information like humans and intelligently generate and distribute useful content tailored to the needs of the user. The example of Web 3.0 is a TiVo. What is a TiVo? Alright, it is a digital video recorder. Its recording program can search the web and read what it finds to you based on your preferences. Okay, so I give you example. The interface of TiVo. Okay, so this is an example of TiVo interface. This is a Hulu channel. Okay, you can find any movie based on your preferences. Okay, so next we go to internet versus web. Okay, what is the difference between these two terms? Okay, so the internet is a global network of billions of servers, computers, and other hardware devices. Each device can connect with any other device as long as both are connected to the internet using a valid IP address. The internet makes the information sharing system known as the web possible. While web, which is short for World Wide Web, is one of the ways information is shared on the internet, okay, include emails, file transfer protocol, and instant messaging services. The web is composed of billions of connected digital documents that are viewed in a web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and others. Okay, So think of the internet as a library. Think of the books, magazines, newspapers, DVDs, audiobooks, and other media it contains as a website. Both the internet and the web serve unique purposes but work hand in hand to provide information, entertainment, and other services to the public.